going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartel, Editor-in-Chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to refilm the unboxing of the Skullcandy cassette wireless headphones, or on-ear headphones. Now these are Bluetooth headphones, and they are looking really snazzy. Now, one thing I do want to say, sorry if the box is a little beat up. Walmart wasn't really too nice to it. But I'm going to be donating these to the Primary Children's Hospital after we get done reviewing them. So it's going to be really cool. I'm going to be giving these to primaries so they can give it to a sick child in need. So we have starting off, we have the Skullcandy logo here. Remix Your Style cassette, okay, and then wires on your headphones, Bluetooth wireless technology, 22 hours of battery life, and then we have our durable and collapsible design. Now, nothing on the left or the right side, pretty much, there it is, but we do have some things on the back. Okay, like I said, sorry if the box is a little beat up. Walmart wasn't too nice to it. But let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. We got our iFixit tool kit here. Okay, and let's get this open. Okay, so here's what we have on the inside. This little thing pops out, headphones comes out, and then on the very tippy top here, we have, throw that to the side, we have a small little baggie to do whatever you want. We'll take that out of the way, move that. And this is what we get with the bag. So we get a micro USB to USB type A. So USB type A to micro USB charging cable. And a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. So if you do run out of power, you can switch to auxiliary. And then we have a standard user guide's manual. This is like your little manual showing you how to connect everything. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is what comes with the Skullcandy cassette wireless Bluetooth on-ear headphones. So as you can see, we have the manual, auxiliary cable, micro USB cable, and the cassettes themselves. Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button if you liked it. Hit that dislike button if you disliked it. And if you adored it, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap that like button in the face, and pow, right in the kisser.